If your KitchenAid KDTE204KPS dishwasher appears stuck on the clean cycle and won't respond to new commands, it usually means the control system didn't properly exit the previous wash program. This can happen after a power interruption, interrupted cycle, or temporary control panel glitch. When the dishwasher remains locked in this state, resetting the control system can restore normal operation. The reset process clears the active program and refreshes the internal electronics so the dishwasher can start a new cycle without errors. Try these. Step 1. Press the cancel drain button once to stop the current cycle and initiate a drain sequence. Step 2. If the control panel does not respond, turn off the dishwasher's power at the circuit breaker. Step 3. Wait about 1 minute to allow the dishwasher's internal control board to fully reset. Step 4. Restore power and close the dishwasher door firmly to reinitialize the system. Step 5. Select a new wash program and press Start to confirm the dishwasher operates normally again.